there, thanks for joining me again. I've got another little treat. This little fella, this is the latest offering from Topdon. It's another Diagnostics dongle. This is in the long list of dongles that we've tested in the past. So we've got a really good variety to compare this to. This is coming in under 40 quid. They're in the sale at the minute. I'll put links in the description for I think £34. If it's a powerful little bit of kit, it's going to be an absolute steal. Let's whip it out of the box and have a look. It's, by all accounts, it is quite powerful and it will read quite a few systems. What do we get in the box? We get some instructions and a lovely looking little thing. Oh, that's rather nice. They do know how to deliver a nice shiny package. Look at that. Straightforward stuff. We'll download the app to the phone, plug this straight into the car and see what it can do. So we'll get out to the car, we'll get the app on the phone, so it's straight into the App Store, we'll press search, put in CarPal, and it should come up. There it is. Just click on that. Get. It'll soon download it. Double click on the side on the app phone, on the iPhone. And then we should be able to open it up once it's loaded. Straightforward stuff, straight into the program. We'll allow the Bluetooth. We've just got to now find it. We'll allow that one. We want the notifications as well. We'll log in. We'll have to put some details in here. So I'll pop an email address in. That's mine in there. We'll press that next on that one. Agree and continue. We get a message through on your email now. You just got to put that code in. Just check your email, pop the code, and then you come to this page here. So we can add the device. Right, so we've got the CarPal. We'll pop the cover off there and we'll stick that in the hole. Get it right way around, it always helps. We just tell it we've plugged it in. So click on that one. It tells you where it is, look in the car. Or near enough. Start the engine on the car. We've already got ours running, so we don't need to worry about that. And then Blue's communicating. Click next on that one. Connect now. Into the Bluetooth menu on your phone. We just click on that and it should find the device. Just at the bottom there. Other devices, it should come in. There we go, CarPal. And then it's automatically logged itself in. We just allow it. And it's done, complete, and that's it. It's all working now. We only have to do that once. You don't have to do that again. It should every time we plug it in, it should link straight to the phone now. So we've got loads of stuff on here. We'll go for an engine inspection first. Just give it a chance to communicate. And it's saying that the engine's healthy. We've got no issues, so we'll confirm that one. And we'll do a full vehicle health check and just see what that comes up with. Confirm and choose. So yeah, we've got that one. Now this is actually going to download the BMW Diagnostic software. This is a game changer because this is specific to the vehicle. Going to get a lot more information with this one. We'll confirm that. It's told us from the chassis number what the car is, what make it is, all the details. It's communicating with all of the ECUs on the car. It's telling us all the ones that it can talk to there, which is a massive amount. That's almost all of them. So we're going to get a really good health check here of all the ECUs and all the faults in all the systems on the car. We'll do a full scan, let it do its thing, and there it goes to all of the issues, all the ECUs, and it's found 2 different faults there. It's got something wrong with the diesel system, which is, we know that one, the brake vacuum sensor, that's been on there for ages. We're not going to worry about that. We know how to fix that. We can replace the sensor if we need to. This is the one I'm interested in, though, the brake pad wear sensor. What we've got here is the 2013 1 Series BMW. And we've got the brake warning light coming on. We've got the little yellow symbol at the top and the service light coming on the dashboard. Now, what happened was the brake pads at the back wore down and it went onto the sensors. So I replaced the brake pads, but without the sensor. It didn't have a sensor. Normally, I say normally, back in the day, you used to be able to get the brake wear sensor, 2 wires going to it. You just twist them together. It put the light out. Happy days. Didn't work on this. It's got a bit of clever trickery going on. So I've bought a new sensor and let's show you what I'm on about. So straight up we've got the warning light and that like the one where your handbrake comes on, that just doesn't go off. And if we start the car up, let the handbrake off, it stays on. We need to do a further reset on this sensor. So we need to get into a hidden menu, which I'm going to go at it from the oil menu. You stick with me on this one. It'll all become clear in a minute. So we need to download. This is picking up the BMW software again. We'll confirm that. It's scanning the control units to show you what it can actually reset. I'll go into oil reset on this one, but it's going to take us through to the hidden menu, which is condition-based servicing menu just there. So we can do a reset and it'll bring up all the systems that we can do a reset on, and one of them is the brakes. So there you go, look, you can see that it's on 0% on the rear brakes. If we click on that, we can then continue. It's just checking it, and we can do a reset on it. It bings up on the dashboard, then goes off. And look at this, 100%, it's reset the rear brakes now. So although we changed the brake pads, changed the sensor, the fault was still in there and the light was still on. We've now done a reset on that, and we can reset the oil, we can reset all the parts on the car that need resetting through that service reset, and it's all done. We've got live data on here. We can check out sensors on the engine, live readings. Quite a basic function, this one. We can change it to a graph or a speedometer sort of icon if you want to. You can change the range on it as well. It's quite a handy tool. It's nice. You can get some good information on there. You can see that on the revs there coming across the graph. If you rev it up, it'll just change. We've got intake temperature sensor, airflow sensor, throttle position, vehicle speed. We've got all sorts of stuff in there, look. Intake manifold, absolute pressure, EOBD, location of oxygen sensors, fuel rail pressure. Yeah, there's lots and lots in there for you to get your teeth into. If you wanted to look at, if you've got an issue with your car, you could look at these and see if there's any kind of discrepancies with the figures on a graph, especially if you're driving it. If your graph's nice and smooth, you generally got a good signal. If it starts jerking and jumping about, you know you've got a problem with one of these sensors. So let's get out of that one. We're going to have a look at something else. Battery test. This can do a battery test on your vehicle. A basic battery test this is, but it still gives you a good idea as to the condition of your battery. So we switch off all the systems. And there you go, it's done a test on it. It's saying that battery is normal. It's all good. It's very clever. Like I say, it does a good job on that one. Another nice little cheeky test. You've got a heads-up display, the HUD, which is, if you want this phone and the phone holder, you can actually plug this in, leave it plugged in, drive down the road, and you've got yourself a nice little heads-up display showing you all kinds of features on there. This is just on miles per hour and RPM at the minute. Turn your phone sideways and it comes up in a sideways angle. You can choose different displays there if you want to. So it just pops straight back up again when you click on it. Nice and easy. And we'll go back out of that and we'll have a look at the smog test. This is more for the American market, but it's still a handy little test to see if your car is running well. Has it got any issues on it? And this one's passed it. We've got no problems at all. If you've got a blocked DPF, it would show that up on here. We'll go back out of that. And then we're going to go into the full health check again. Let's have another look at everything. See, now we've done the brakes. We've reset the brakes. Can we reset the actual fault code and get rid of the fault that was in here? You see that one then listed up at the top there, the DSC. That's because of the brake sensor. We can clear that now. And hopefully that will go away and it'll just leave us with the one fault on the top. And yes, it's done it. So we've reset the brakes and we've now cleared the fault code. What a cracking bit of kit. Let's have a look in the services at the bottom, see what else we've got in here. You've got DTC repair guide, just tells you some stuff. You've got a list there of what all the codes and the lights mean. You've got help here if you chat with Topdon. If you've got any issues and you want to have a word with them, you can just go straight into that help menu there. It shows you locations and stuff as well. Wowzers, what a bit of kit that is. mightily impressed with that. It's for its size and its cost, it's a powerful bit of kit, isn't it? Able to reset those brakes, do all the fault finding, live readings. Very, very good. Very good. It's doing an awful lot of the functions that its big brother does for a fraction of the price. Are you talking, what, £400-500 for this? 35 quid. You can't go wrong, can you? I'll pop links in the description for it. So if you're interested, cracking bit of kit to have in your locker. Drop me some comments. Always love your comments. Drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.